If you're running a high-end CPU in 2026, weak cooling is not an option. Today's processors are faster, hotter, and more demanding than ever, and the wrong cooler can hold back your entire build. That means higher temperatures, more noise, and less performance when it matters most. So if you want your PC to stay cool, quiet, and ready for anything, these are the top 5 liquid CPU coolers you can buy right now. Number 5. DeepCool LQ360. Starting the list is the DeepCool LQ360. DeepCool delivers premium performance without the premium price. The LQ360 combines a powerful 3-fan radiator with an updated pump design that keeps modern CPUs running cool even under heavy workloads. Add in a customizable LCD display and clean RGB lighting, and you've got one of the best value AIOs available today. Number 4. Corsair iCUE LINK TITAN RX RGB. At number 4 is the Corsair iCUE LINK TITAN RX RGB. Corsair takes cable management to another level with its Link ecosystem, reducing clutter while making installation much easier. Performance is excellent. The magnetic fans are whisper quiet, and the customizable LCD screen adds a premium touch to any build. If you love clean cable management, this cooler is hard to beat. Number 3. Lian Li HydroShift LCD 360. Coming in at number 3 is the Lian Li HydroShift LCD 360. This cooler completely rethinks AIO design by hiding tubing more cleanly than traditional liquid coolers. The result is one of the cleanest looking PC builds you'll ever see. Combine that with a vibrant LCD display, strong cooling performance, and premium build quality, and it's easy to see why HydroShift has become a favorite among showcase PC builders. Number 2. NZXT Kraken Elite 420 RGB. Taking second place is the NZXT Kraken Elite 420 RGB. NZXT continues refining one of the most recognizable AIO coolers on the market. Its large IPS LCD display looks fantastic, cooling performance is excellent, and the updated RGB core fans provide strong airflow while keeping noise under control. For creators and gamers who want both performance and style, the Kraken Elite remains one of the best premium options. Number 1. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360. Taking the top spot is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360. When it comes to pure cooling performance, very few AIOs can compete. Its thick radiator, efficient pump, integrated VRM cooling fan, and exceptional thermal performance make it one of the strongest liquid coolers available in 2026. It may not have the flashiest RGB or biggest LCD, but if your priority is keeping high-end CPUs cool under heavy loads, this is the cooler to buy. Those are our picks for the best liquid CPU coolers you can buy in 2026. Whether you want maximum cooling, a clean minimalist build, or an eye-catching LCD display, there's an AIO here for every type of PC. Which one would you choose for your next build? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.